In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a hyperlink in the editor on Mailchimp. Whether you're looking to update a URL, fix a link, or just ensure everything is pointing in the right direction, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in and make sure your hyperlinks are spot on before you send out your next campaign. First things first, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. If you haven't done this before, simply go to the Mailchimp website and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, your dashboard will be the gateway to all your campaigns and tools. Once inside, head over to Campaigns in the upper navigation bar. This will open a drop-down menu. From there, select All Campaigns. This is where you'll find a list of all the campaigns you've been working on. Now locate the campaign you want to modify. Once you've found it, click on Edit Design. This option allows you to get into the nitty-gritty of your campaign's layout and content. Now that you're in the design editor, it's time to locate the text block containing the hyperlink you wish to edit. The blocks are usually sections of text or images that have clickable links embedded in them. Once you've found the text block, click on it to open Mailchimp's text editor. How about those links? Simply highlight the text or image that contains the hyperlink you want to change. With this selected, look for the toolbar at the top of the editor and click on the link icon. It's easy to spot. It looks like a small linked chain. Once you click it, a pop-up box will appear displaying the current URL. Here is where the real editing magic happens. You can now update the URL to whatever new address you would like. Mailchimp also gives you the flexibility to choose from other link types like web address, email address, phone number, or a file. This can be particularly useful if you want to direct your audience to download a file or get in touch via email. After you've made your changes, don't forget to click Save and Close. This ensures that your edits are captured and saved, allowing you to exit the text editor confidently. To wrap things up, always check your changes, use the preview option to make sure the links work correctly within your campaign, and for that final peace of mind, send a test email to yourself. This way you can see exactly what your recipients will experience and confirm that everything is functioning as it should. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can quickly and easily edit hyperlinks in Mailchimp, ensuring your campaigns are as effective as possible. Thanks for tuning in and happy emailing.